moment of truth is getting closer. Will we have a new 25th? Last year, they run along this plateau to turn 8. Difficult place to overtake. Valentino Rossi comes in line. They close.
Going to fire that Repsol on the right up the inside of Petrucci at all costs. He wants to go with Fabio Quartararo. Now this would... Massive absolute monster high side for the world champion. Asking too much of the power. Goodness me, that was vicious. Tyres have been cooled down.
Reverse corkscrew. 3.5 laps to go. We ride with Rossi. What a battle for second place, and well done, Danny Pedrosa. He's fought back on 2 occasions, but Rossi's got in front. Who's kept their rear tyre the best for these crucial final 3.5 laps? It was all about the left-hand side of the tyre. They really do stress it, certainly coming through this section, turn 9, 10 and 11. Rossi was talking about it yesterday. Can you manage that left-hand side of the tyre for this crucial end of the race? He's not going to find a way through on Pedrosa down into 14, 15. He certainly won't be able to use any Yamaha horsepower to drag by the Honda down the back straight. There you go. Down this back straight. Listen to those seamless gearboxes up through the gear.
Now it's a straight shootout down towards turn 1. These two are absolutely at it, aren't they? Off track and on.
Honda does not blast past.
Oh, yes it does.
Does now.
On the brakes. Marquez What's going to happen while these two are playing like this? What? The front two are going to clear off.
Are you accusing Marquez of playing the Valentino Rossi for
It was the wrong words. I take it back. There's no playing going on here. They're both as serious as they can be. Here comes Marquez up the inside. And that blocks off Valentino again. This is an absolute war. We saw them come together at Argentina when front wheel touched back wheel. That really cost Marc Marquez. It slung him up the road massively. This time, look at that.
That's tough.
Very, no, it's fair.
Of course.
Tough, but fair. Brilliant motorcycle racing. Two of the very best in the world. An icon, a legend. Two of the beaten up by a youngster.
Two of the best we've ever seen
in the world. So, Sepang. I mean, if we've got any Formula 1 fans in the crowd, certainly here at Sepang, you're going to see more passes in this lap between these two than you've probably seen the entire race on track. That is turn 9 up there. Through 10, rising up to 11. Quick knock to Marco Simoncelli here, and again Valentino Rossi. He lost the front, he lost the front, he looks to the right, he lost the front, and through comes Marquez again. These two are at it.
This is war, Keith.
One is 22, one is 36. It is an incredible fight between the Spaniard and the legendary Italian.
Meanwhile, that has taken the wind out of the sails firmly there for Marc Marquez.
Yeah, he's gone in.
There'll be no pole today.
Trying to go round the outside there.
Away. That hurt
Marquez, he's out
vicious.
Vicious start a bit too much from the rear end.
Valentino Rossi leads it. He was wide himself.
Quartararo actually was going to be running on the grass himself. Quartararo was pushed out wide at the southern loop. Quartararo actually was just about to hit the grass anyway. He was going to be upright. Petrucci's just going to launch himself skywards. It was a bit... a little bit wider. Perhaps onto a dirty bottom.
Sorry to interrupt, guys, but we have just got to bring you this. There's a massive crash here. I mean, monumental. There's nothing left to hurt.
The tyre has been ripped off the rim. Is there even a swing arm on that motorcycle?
I really apologise to Davide Brivio there, but this is massive.
This is an absolute monster crash for Marc Marquez. That Repsol Honda is completely demolished. He's just about getting to his feet. I think that's at turn 6 or 7 maybe.
I have to say, Matt, I don't think I've seen Marc Marquez.
There's no tyre on,
like,
no rear tyre
have a crash
on the
like
rim.
that in a long time. I mean, I don't know what's happened, but he is really hurt here.
Well, it must have been a high side. Surely that's launched him into the air, because that is a, yeah, turn 7. It's turn 7 for Marc Marquez. It's an outlap. It's his Marc Marquez. This is Marquez because of the weather. He's pushing for a time to make sure he's inside that top 10. Soft rear tyre, outlap. He's just gone too hard too quickly, and the world champion rattled, shaken, stirred. That Repsol Honda RC2123, there's not a lot left of that. That could pretty much be a straight for skip job. He's just about regathering his composure. He's had the wind knocked out of him here, big style as Marc Marquez. Thankfully, it looks like there is. no serious injury because he's taken
Oh,
an almighty whack there.
Away we go. Brilliant start from Marquez from pole. Exactly what he needed. Miller didn't get away so well. Rossi thought about going up the inside, but Marquez is where he needs to be. Rings is up to second.
Whoa, Quartararo's down! Is that Dovizioso
I think
as well?
it is.
There's
Unbelievable.
Fire from the Ducati.
Oh, what a dramatic start. Dovizioso's down, the bike's on fire.
Maybe the tyre air fence is on fire as well. Look, Fabio Quartararo, too eager on the throttle through Stowe corner, launched over the high side, down he went. One of the factory Ducatis clattered into his Yamaha. What early drama we have. It was Andrea Dovizioso that confined over the top of that Yamaha. Dovizioso's World Championship, surely that has gone. What a massive moment, the 2019 World Championship.
Can you believe it? They're trying to get that bike out. They're looking to Dovizioso now. I hope he's okay because he looked hurt.
Nowhere to go for poor Andrea Dovizioso. You've got to say Fabio Quartararo is a rookie. That was a rookie mistake. Just far too aggressive on a cold tyre. Andrea Dovizioso took a fair old whack there. He had a massive moment on the rear tyres. He got on the gas coming through turn number 9. It cost him.